If you're like me and you're always confused about how to use these every time you use them, I am making this video to show you and also to remind myself for the next time I forget. Okay, so once you have the ribbon wrapped around whatever it is you're loading, what you want to do is have this thing open all the way so it's completely straight up. And you're going to feed the ribbon in this side, the flat side. See how it's flat here, and then the side has like, it's bumps. Do you like my terminology? Whatever. So the flat side, you're going to feed the ribbon through, and you're going to feed it through the very center of that. And you see it comes through this side, okay? And then you're gonna pull it taut. Once it's taut, there's like a spring like that. You're gonna pull up on it. So I'm pulling up, and now I'm basically turning it. So it's like that, okay? Once you have it like that, you're ready to crank. So you just crank and do this until it's completely tight. Once it's tight, you're gonna close it all the way, and that locks it. And then when you're ready at the end to like unload it, you're going to again push this part down with the spring, open it up all the way again so it's locked in this position, and then you just pull. If your crank is kind of rusty as you're doing this kind of stuff, then just use some WD-40 along here and here in these parts, and it'll be like new again. So, hope you found this helpful.